Hello everybody, Simon from Hot Numbers here. I'm going to show you today how to brew some lovely filter coffee at home. We're all going through some dark times at the moment with the coronavirus, and so I want to show you how to get the best of a VO2 dripper at home. So we're going to start BOSQUE de San Francisco. It's a really nice Guatemalan washed coffee that we have here, and we are going to make some lovely filter coffee. So here we go. Take some water and just rinse the paper through the VO2 dripper to get rid of the paper taste. Discard the paper water there, and then we're going to put in 16 grams of coffee. So we can grind the coffee for you at Hot Numbers. It should be like sand, like a fine sand, medium to fine sand here. Consistency, and we're going to use 16 grams of coffee here. Smells lovely. No more, no less. I do love this coffee. And we're just lovely. Give it a little shake. Then, most importantly, filtered water. So we've got filtered water in this kettle here. At the moment it's 94 degrees, so we want it off boil. So I'm happy with that. And we are going to put our water in until we've got 250 grams. So we're just going to pour slowly and evenly over the coffee bed, and we're going to wait and watch that bloom. Now the water's just soaking into there to extract the oils from the coffee, and that's what we want. We want the We're going to continue our pour, little and often. We've got 250 grams of water in the cup. And here we have our BOSQUE de San Francisco. I like to present it in a carafe. We serve in the cafes. Just a nice touch, but ultimately into the cup. Yeah, this is nice. It's a lot of plum fruit going on for me. Sweetness, very clean, great coffee. And as this cools further, the taste should develop further. So enjoy. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Get brewing at home, Hot Numbers. Check out our website.
Happy brewski?
You know it. No.
It's a good start, mate.
It's a good. You got to start somewhere, haven't you? Got to start somewhere.